recording now.
Hey, Mom, this is for you. Happy 4th of July. And Grandma and Bello and Christian, I love you guys.
Mom!
You forgot Rick.
Yeah, Rick too. Happy 4th of July, Rick.
Wait.
Oh, God. Well, anyway, as she's doing it, I hope you had a great 4th of July. I don't know what else to say. I hope everything is great over there. I heard it was cold out there. But it's beautiful out here.
Ready?
You should come out here. Ready? Ready, guys? Ready? Happy 4th of July!
That's all that does.
That's Dookie.
Back to Nico. Nico, back up more.
That's not Dookie no more.
Happy 4th of July!